Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, often called vscode, is one of the most widely used code editors in the world. It was created by Microsoft and first appeared in 2015. Unlike many traditional IDEs, it began as a lightweight editor and grew into a full development environment through extensions. Developers can add support for almost any programming language, framework, or tool. Its speed, flexibility, and large extension marketplace made it popular among beginners and professionals alike. Visual Studio. Visual Studio is a full-featured IDE also developed by Microsoft. Its roots go back to the 1990s, making it one of the longest-running development environments still in widespread use. It is especially known for building Windows applications, enterprise software and projects using C#, C++, and net technologies. Integrated debugging, testing tools, and visual designers help developers manage large and complex projects with greater efficiency. IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA was created by JetBrains and is widely respected in the Java development community. It was designed to understand code deeply and assist developers with intelligent suggestions, automated refactoring, and error detection. Over time, it expanded beyond Java and gained support for many other languages. Its focus on productivity and code quality has made it a favorite in professional software development. PyCharm. PyCharm is another IDE from JetBrains, built specifically for Python developers. It combines coding tools, debugging features, testing support, and project management in a single environment. As Python became important in web development, automation, data science, and artificial intelligence, PyCharm became one of the most recognized tools for working with the language. Its specialized features help developers write cleaner and more reliable Python code. Eclipse. Eclipse began as a project initiated by IBM before becoming an independent open-source platform. For many years, it was one of the dominant IDEs for Java development. Its plugin-based architecture allowed developers to customize it extensively and add support for numerous languages. Although newer competitors emerged, Eclipse remains important in many organizations, educational institutions, and long-established software projects. NetBeans. NetBeans is an open-source IDE that gained popularity for its simplicity and strong Java support. Originally developed in the late 1990s, it later became associated with Sun Microsystems and eventually Apache Software Foundation. The IDE offers built-in tools for coding, debugging, and interface design. Its straightforward setup has made it appealing to students and developers who prefer an all-in-one environment. Android Studio. Android Studio is the official IDE for Android application development. It is based on IntelliJ IDEA and is maintained by Google. The platform provides tools for designing interfaces, testing applications on virtual devices, and optimizing performance. As Android became the world's most widely used mobile operating system, Android Studio became the standard environment for building mobile applications for millions of devices. Xcode. Xcode is the primary development environment for software targeting Apple's ecosystem. Created by Apple, it supports applications for iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Developers use it to write code, design interfaces, test software, and distribute applications. Because Apple requires many apps to be built and submitted through its own tools, Xcode plays a central role in the company's software ecosystem. CLion. CLion is a cross-platform IDE from JetBrains focused on C and C++ development. These languages are often used in operating systems, game engines, embedded devices, and performance-critical software. CLion provides advanced code analysis, debugging tools, and integration with modern build systems. Its goal is to simplify the complexities often associated with low-level programming. Code Blocks. Code Blocks is a free and open-source IDE mainly associated with C, C++, and Fortran programming. It was designed to be lightweight while still offering essential development tools. Many students encounter it during programming courses because it is easy to install and works across different operating systems. Its community-driven development has helped it remain relevant despite competition from larger platforms. DevC++. DevC++ became popular during the early years of C++ education and hobbyist programming. It provided a simple environment for writing, compiling, and running code without overwhelming new developers. While development slowed for a period, updated versions continued to appear through community efforts. For many programmers, DevC++ served as an introduction to software development. CodeLite. CodeLite is an open-source IDE aimed primarily at C, C++, and web development. It emphasizes speed and simplicity while still including project management, debugging, and code navigation features. Developers who prefer lightweight tools often appreciate its balance between functionality and performance. Its cross-platform design allows projects to move easily between different operating systems. Qt Creator. Qt Creator was developed alongside the Qt framework to simplify application development using Qt technologies. It includes tools for interface design, debugging, and deployment. The IDE is especially popular for creating software that can run on multiple platforms from a single codebase. This capability has made it useful in desktop software, embedded systems, and industrial applications. RubyMine. RubyMine is a specialized IDE from JetBrains built for the Ruby programming language. It provides intelligent code completion, debugging tools, and support for web frameworks such as Ruby on Rails. During the rise of modern web startups, RubyMine became a common choice among developers seeking productivity and strong framework integration. WebStorm. WebStorm is another JetBrains IDE focused on JavaScript and modern web development. As websites evolved into complex applications, developers needed better tools to manage growing codebases. WebStorm addressed this need with advanced code analysis, framework support, and debugging capabilities. It is widely used for projects involving technologies such as React, Angular, and Vue. phpstorm. phpstorm was designed specifically for PHP development and quickly became one of the most popular tools in that space. It offers deep understanding of PHP code along with support for databases, web technologies, and debugging tools. Since PHP powers a significant portion of the web, phpstorm became a key tool for developers building websites, content management systems, and online services. Writer. Writer is a modern, net IDE created by JetBrains. It was developed as a cross-platform alternative for developers working with C# and related technologies. By combining JetBrains code analysis tools with net support, Writer offers a powerful environment that runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Its arrival provided developers with more flexibility in choosing their development platform. JupyterLab. JupyterLab is an interactive development environment built around notebooks rather than traditional source files. It emerged from the broader Jupyter ecosystem and became highly influential in data science, research, and machine learning. Users can combine code, visualizations, text, and results within a single workspace. This approach transformed how many researchers and analysts explore and communicate computational work. Spider. Spider was created with scientific computing in mind and became popular among Python users working in research and engineering. Its layout resembles traditional scientific software environments, making it familiar to users transitioning from tools such as MATLAB. Integrated plotting, variable inspection, and debugging features help users analyze data and experiment with algorithms efficiently. Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE was developed to make programming microcontrollers accessible to a broad audience. It became closely tied to the growth of the Arduino hardware platform and the Maker movement. The software allows users to write code and upload it directly to electronic boards with minimal setup. Its simplicity encouraged countless students, hobbyists, and inventors to explore embedded programming. Replit. Replit is a cloud-based development environment that runs directly in a web browser. Instead of requiring local installation, it allows developers to write, run, and share code online. The platform supports many programming languages and emphasizes collaboration. As cloud computing became more common, Replit demonstrated how development could happen from almost any device connected to the internet.